Hello friends, welcome to Ashnika Academy. Today we are going to see linear programming for class 12th, chapter number 12. Okay. Here I am going to teach you some important some important questions for CBSE board exams, which I referred 5 question paper consecutively. On that, the frequently asked questions I am going to discuss today. And my further videos for minimum maximum, those who don't know, please go and check in my channel Ashnika Academy. There I made a separate playlist for this section. Come on, let's move on to these questions. This chapter consists of 5 mark. 5 mark a graph is asked from this chapter. So today we are going to discuss about that chapter, that 5 mark only. Come on, let's move on to our exercise. These are some basic graphs which we had learned in class 12, but it is slightly some advanced method. So I will teach you how to calculate the maxima minima value in further classes. So please wait for my further notification. So subscribe my channel for getting the notifications. These are some questions in this. The frequently asked question is question. Example number 3 is a frequently asked question in the boards of 2016. Okay, so let's move on this and all. If you are having sufficient time for preparing for the board exams, you can prepare these questions well. Now we had came to exercise number 10.12. This 10.12 consists of around 10 questions. This 10 questions based on maxima and minima value. So these graphs are very important. From this a 5 mark question is asked in the board. So mostly all CBSE teachers will think to give us a less amount of stress in graph. So mostly they pick some questions from textbook itself. So there is no necessary to see any outside questions or any other questions. You can set a previous year question paper for getting these answers. Okay, come on, I tell you some important questions of this which I frequently seen in the board papers. So the question number 4 is a board paper important question, and 6th and 9th and 10th. These are the frequently asked questions in the boards. So that's all of this 12.1 exercise. Now let's move on to the 12.2. Okay, this 12.2 is based on mostly this is not straightly given, it is straightly given as the summary. So we have to calculate this and we want to make a graph, then we can able to see the maximum and minimum value. First I will teach you in my other videos about maxima, and further the video will come as minima. Then I will teach you about exercise 11.2. Come, next video mode had came to 12.2. It has minimum questions of 11. These 11 questions are much important, so much important, because these are frequently asked in board of consecutively 14, 15 and 17, not 16, because the last question was asked in 16 which I had told in 12.1. Okay, now this I am going to tell some important questions of this which I seen furtherly in I start preparing for from 2009 to 2018 to 20. So this will be a beneficial video, so do not skip this questions. So question number 8, question number 9 and question number 6 and question number 10. These are some important questions. If you had noted down, it will be well in your notebooks. And these questions are so much important, and it's mostly a theory basical, so you want to be careful with this. So it is a very much important, and this 5th question mark it. Okay, so that's all of this that's all of this chapter. These are some important questions which I got in previous year boards, and if you study these questions well, there is no need of doing miscellaneous exercise. Mostly miscellaneous exercise are some confusion, and if you want to get a brief, you are having very less time to study. If you are having board exam in 2 months or 3 months, You should complete the which and all I marked the questions that are important. If you are having a sufficient time, you can study 11.2 fully and 12.2 fully and 12.1 fully. Okay, and these are the summaries which are important. If you want to know the brief of this chapter, you can study this. That's all. I am hoping that you will get 5 marks off from this chapter. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe and like this our video and share it to your friends. Thank you.